or time management methods every founder or business owner needs to master their day. Starting out with number 1, is delete tasks. Okay, so this is SpaceX's 5-step algorithm. It's basically Elon's algorithm on how to run engineering processes or just companies in general more efficiently. And we're going to focus on number 2, which is delete. Let's take a look at this example here. We have Sad Sam and then Productive Peter. Both of them have the same goal. It's to get 3 new customers. If we look at Sad Sam's list, it is just a bunch of different things. Clean inbox, read 12 marketing blogs, etc., etc. And then if we look at Productive Peter, he has the same list, but he does something differently. He deletes the list, or he deletes the things that aren't important to his goal. So he knows that cleaning the inbox is important, but after that, reading, researching, organizing, that doesn't really help him get 3 new customers. So he deletes all of those and focuses on calling 10 prospects. And this is a win because not only do you reach your goal faster, you save time and you work less. Next up, we have MIT in the morning. What's MIT? Glad you asked. It stands for the most important task. Well, let's go back to the Sad Sam and Productive Peter example. Sam over here works on not a lot of important tasks in the morning, but he knows that he has to do his most important task. Eventually, he pushes it to the afternoon where he has to call 10 prospects. This is good, but he doesn't have that much energy. Compare that to Productive Peter. He schedules his most important task in the morning and then fills up the rest of his day. So he has higher energy to do so. I used to be more like Sam because I would wait until I am locked in or I spent a few hours doing a bunch of different things to then do my most important task, but realize that doesn't work. And people like Mark Twain and then Jensen also say that you shouldn't do that. So I've been doing that since and it's been good. So it's definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next up is the plan the night before. All right, this is how I plan my day in the planner. So weekly goal, for example, ship V2 of the app. Daily tasks, it would be redesign onboarding flow, call with engineers, etc., etc. Important thing to note here though, is you should start with a verb. So all of these start with a verb and at least it helps me really understand and keep the momentum going. So you are essentially spending 3 to 5 minutes planning tonight so you can save 30 to 50 minutes of scrambling tomorrow morning. So you can sleep like this and not really worry about tomorrow, about the day tomorrow. All right, and the last one is the 2-minute rule. So if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, you should probably do it immediately. Let's look at Sad Sam again. He lets small tasks pile up, like sending a meeting invite, approving budget requests, send PDF file. Small tasks, he becomes overwhelmed. Productive Peter, though, he uses the 2-minute rule. When something comes up and he needs to send a meeting invite or approve things like budget requests or send the PDF file, he does it immediately so that he has a bit of peace of mind. But that's it. Congratulations if you made it this far. You can now manage time better. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.